Hello everyone, you are welcome back to Shabest online tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to differentiate this function with respect to x. And the given function is what? Y is equal to root of x multiplied by sine of x. We are asked to differentiate the function with respect to x. The first thing we're going to do is to do transformation. Recall that when we have square root of x is the same as what? X raised to the power of 1 over 2. So we're going to transform this root of x into this form. So this is going to be the same as y is equal to, in place of square root of x here, we write x raised to the power of 1 over 2, then multiply by what? Sine of x. Now we're going to differentiate this function with respect to x. What we just did, we just do transformation. So the next thing we're going to do, if you look at this function, x to the power 1 over 2 is multiplying sine x. So we're going to use product rule. And product rule is what? When we have dy over dx is the same as what? V du over dx plus u dv over dx. So this is the product rule formula we're going to apply. We let u to be equal to what? X raised to the power of 1 over 2. Then we let v to be equal to sine of x. So using the formula, the derivative of y with respect to x is going to be equal to what? V du, and v is what? Sine of x, then multiply by what? Du over dx, the derivative of u with respect to x. If we are differentiating x to the power of 1 over 2, we recall our power rule. We use this power to multiply x, then we take away 1 from the power. 1 over 2 multiply x is going to give us 1 over 2x. Then 1 over 2 minus 1 is going to give us minus 1 over 2. Then plus u. We let x to the power of 1 over 2 to be u. Then multiply by the derivative of v with respect to x. And when we differentiate v with respect to x, it's going to give us cosine of x. So the next thing we're going to do is to multiply and simplify. Sine x multiplied by 1 over 2 x raised to the power of negative 1 over 2 is the same as what? 1 over 2 x raised to the power of negative 1 over 2 sine of x, then plus x to power 1 x to the power of 1 over 2 multiplied by cosine x is the same as what? X to the power of 1 over 2 cosine of x. So the next thing we're going to do is to recall that when we have x raised to the power of negative 1 over 2 is the same as 1 all over x raised to the power of positive 1 over 2. When a negative power is going to come down, it's going to be what? It will turn to what? Positive. So this is equivalent to this. So we're going to bring this x raised to the power of 1 over 2. We transform it into this form. So this is going to be what? 1 over 2. Then this x raised to the power of negative 1 over 2 is the same as what? 1 all over x raised to the power of 1 over 2, positive 1 over 2. Then multiply by what? Sine of x, then plus x raised to the power of 1 over 2 is the same as what? Square root of x. Because if you recall, we let square root of x to be x raised to the power of 1 over 2. Then multiply by what? Cosine of x. Now we're going to do the multiplication. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. 1 multiplied by sine x is the same as what? Sine of x. Then divided by 2 multiplied by x raised to the power of 1 over 2 is the same as 2. Then x to power 2 is the same as what? Square root of x. Then plus what? Square root of x cosine of x. So here's the derivative of this function with respect to x. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.